This is where Japan's fastest bullet train takes shape, inside a factory built for absolute precision and scale. This environment establishes the structural precision and industrial authority behind the Hayabusa design. The main body shell fabrication begins with high-precision friction stir welding of the aluminum alloy floor. Precision laser scanning confirms the body shell meets strict Shinkansen alignment standards.
With the main body shell complete, the structure is ready for aerodynamic nose integration.
The aerodynamic forming phase utilizes heavy hydraulic pressure to shape raw aluminum into the E5 signature long nose panels. Advanced measurement systems verify that every curve of the nose panel meets strict aerodynamic tolerances for high-speed travel. The completed nose panels are now staged for structural integration, defining the E5's iconic aerodynamic silhouette. The structural underframe assembly establishes the primary load-bearing foundation using heavy-duty industrial jigs and precision alignment. Rigorous non-destructive testing confirms the structural integrity and weld penetration of the primary load-bearing members. With the structural underframe successfully validated, the foundation is ready for the integration of traction and electrical systems. Traction motor manufacturing begins with the precision winding of high-capacity copper coils for the E5's propulsion system. Rigorous electrical and mechanical testing ensures each traction motor maintains peak efficiency at extreme operational speeds. The validated traction motors are now staged for integration into the high-speed bogie assemblies.
The integration phase begins as hydraulic lifters synchronize to raise the car body for bogie placement.
With bogie integration complete, the Shinkansen E5 becomes a fully mobile structural unit.
The precision coating phase begins with the automated application of industrial-grade primer to the 25-meter aluminum shell.
Automated electrostatic systems ensure a uniform coating thickness across the entire surface, essential for aerodynamic efficiency at high speeds. The precision exterior coating is now complete, providing the foundation for final color application and subsequent assembly stages.
The interior installation begins with the mechanical mounting of primary cable trays and technical conduits along the car body ribs. Advanced laser metrology ensures every structural rail and cable tray is aligned within strict engineering tolerances for high-speed operation.
With the technical infrastructure and structural frames secured, the car body is cleared for final systems verification and exterior finishing. The final alignment phase begins with the static geometric calibration of the 25-meter gray-primed car body shell. Automated sensors verify bogie articulation limits to ensure safe operation within strict geometric tolerances. Final system validation digitally maps every internal cable route before interior cladding begins.
The factory verification begins with a comprehensive optical scan of the completed E5 livery to confirm coating uniformity and structural finish. Each unit is digitally logged and verified, ensuring every mechanical system meets factory certification standards before release.
With all technical verifications approved, the Shinkansen E5 is cleared for transport and operational deployment.
From precision manufacturing to high-speed service, the Shinkansen E5 carries Japan's engineering legacy into the future.
What begins in the factory ultimately shapes how nations move, connect, and grow.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.